Marxism isn't a polite philosophy sipping tea with the elites. It's a theory born angry, forged in factories, and fueled by the conviction that society is rigged, and that the people doing the rigging are very aware of it. At its core, Marxism is a way of looking at the world that says, follow the money, follow the power, and you'll find exploitation hiding in plain sight. Karl Marx didn't wake up one morning wanting to create a political ideology. He wanted to explain why modern society produced so much wealth, and so much misery at the same time. Marxism begins with a brutal claim: history is driven by class struggle. Not ideas. Not heroes. Not divine plans. Just groups of people fighting over who controls resources and who gets screwed doing the labor. Slave versus master. Serf versus lord. Worker versus capitalist. Each era addresses this conflict up in culture, religion, or law, but underneath it all is the same engine. One class owns the means of production, the other does the work. When the tension becomes unbearable, the system cracks, and history lurches forward. Progress, in Marxism, is not peaceful evolution. It's rupture. Marx wasn't impressed by capitalism's shiny surfaces. Yes, factories multiplied wealth. Yes, technology advanced. But Marx saw the machine's gears grinding human lives into profit. Under capitalism, the means of production, factories, land, machines, capital, are privately owned. Workers don't sell products, they sell themselves. Their labor becomes a commodity, and like any commodity, it's bought as cheaply as possible. The kicker? Workers produce more value than they're paid for. That extra value, called surplus value, is pocketed by the capitalist. That, Marx says, is exploitation. Legal. Normal. Built into the system. Capitalism doesn't cheat. It plays by its own rules. And those rules reward ownership, not work.